Hey everybody, it's Paul from Cary Estate Planning back with another video as part of our 2020 video challenge. And today I want to talk about Social Security benefits and how they can be impacted or how it works with your power of attorney. And what most people don't realize, and this is a piece that usually falls through the cracks in estate planning, is the Social Security Administration doesn't recognize powers of attorney. So you generally have to conduct, affairs differently with them than you would with your bank or with your financial institution or other, transactional type matters or application-based matters. And so what they prefer instead is that you reach out to them in advance, either through their online portal or over the phone, to designate representative payees, and sometimes they're called advanced designees, to basically act on your behalf if you're unable to yourself. So you can name up to 3 advanced designees and rank them in order. And then in the event that the first can't act, then the second would perform instead, and so on and so forth. But these essentially are the Social Security Administration's version of you appointing a fiduciary for that specific limited purpose, just for Social Security benefit coordination and correspondence. And so this is akin to or consistent with the same issues we've talked about previously on a video we did a couple weeks ago about guardianship and Social Security Administration. They kind of just have their own thing going on, and so they prefer to have this method for really anyone acting on behalf of a Social Security beneficiary. So whether that be a disabled child or an elderly parent, doesn't really matter in their eyes when it comes to the paying of benefits and the coordination of your affairs. When it comes to Social Security Administration, they want you to appoint an advanced designee or a representative payee instead. All of that information can be found on the Social Security Administration's website. They actually provide a couple resources. Let's see, the My Social Security account through SSA. You can update it whenever you want. So it's actually probably a lot easier that way. Usually updating a power of attorney requires the formalities of executing a power of attorney be adhered to every time you do it. So it generally would be easier for you to update these advanced designations online, much like you would with beneficiary designations on your retirement or life insurance accounts. This is Paul from Cary Estate Planning. Thank you.